Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and some of you know that I have been waiting for this doll for longer than I should have. You can tell by the title of this video what it is, so I won't do any kind of mystery. Boy, this is a weird box. I am excited. I wanted a smart doll. Started thinking about it seriously in November, and I didn't really do anything about it. And a couple weeks ago, I was looking at a Kinder Blythe doll, and I went to put a bid in on it, and I thought to myself, I'm going to go this high, and if I don't get the doll for that, I'm going to get a smart doll instead. I put in a really good, what I thought was a really good offer on that Kinder Blythe doll, and they did not accept it, so I went and found this doll on eBay. Actually, I thought that the dolls from Danny Cho, boy, this is really tape strange, were $500. I didn't know about the yen being down and all of that. So anyway, here I am with this doll, and I am very excited. I look a mess because we rode, we ride 17 miles this morning on our bicycles to
almost
town.
18.
Oh yeah, almost 18.
I rode 18.
I did too. Was 17.9,
and I got 18.
yeah, 17.90. And Darren Strava gave him 18. Look in my box. Woo! That's right. I got a smart doll. Oh, this is scary. I don't know how to build these things. Let's see what happens when I get it all out. Feet and head and, I mean, look in here. You know what? She smells new. Oh, careful. Careful there, girl. Oh, here's her stand, which Darren will be disappointed. I won't be asking for a bunch of stands. Okay, I just wanted to make sure there was nothing else in there. I'm excited. She is I have other, oh, I meant to bring her in, the doll around the corner, because she has a dress I made for this one. This doll is built a lot different. All right, let's get her pieces out and see if I can put her together. I've been watching videos so she doesn't scare me as badly as, I bet that's the scuff paper. Smart doll people, is this the scuff paper that you rub out scuffs with? Here's her head. I'm gonna put this back in here. She smells new. The gal said she was new. I mean, she has that new doll smell to her. This is scary. Okay, I see the peg. Oh, okay. I bent the knee a little. All right, this is scary.
The left foot, is it the right foot?
No, it is the correct foot.
I was just going to say the left foot connects to the left bone, the left ankle.
Okay, let's try this side. Oh man, now I look like an idiot. Oh wait, I am. Oh shoot. Okay, I might need to read some instructions. I see people just pop, pull. All right, let's try the head. Okay. These pull-apart dolls just freak me out. They just do. Okay. There it goes. Kind of a long neck there. These dolls have a spine. An actual spine, if you don't know. If you go to Danny Cho's website, there are videos showing how they are made. Well, that's strange.
Now, is it Cho or Chew?
I don't know.
Okay.
I've
Because I've heard you say both. So.
I've heard people say both. Dory would know. I think we're going to look at her without the feet right now. I'm going to have to go look at her neck too. Like her neck her neck moves because of that spine. Isn't that something? It's the way her body has this skeleton-like thing.
Yeah, it's a skeleton with a skin overlay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at her booty. Wow. Oh, she has the anime face. I gotta tell you something cute about Darren. I got my doll and I paid for her. Well, he paid for her. I used his credit card. And he was walking in the kitchen singing a little song. My girlfriend got her first smart doll, and I laughed because it was her first. All right, there can't be a trick to this. It looks pretty simple, and I just see people.
Let the camera look down. I don't know. That one it doesn't look like it's centered, so.
Tell you what, let me hold the camera. No, the leg moves. And then if you look in here, you move the leg and then you line up the foot is what I was doing. There's like a bone. And it's supposed to. I see people do this easily. Here, you look at it. Let me hold the camera.
We're just gonna let this sucker roll.
Well, if it doesn't go on, I want to contact the seller.
And if I break it?
Will you buy me a new one? Oh, he gets them right on, of course. I don't have strength in my hands like I used to. I really don't. Oh, look at my smart doll. Let's get a wig on her. Here. Her wig is in the little container. I expected an older doll. I don't think she is. And her wig is inside the netting, of which I also will save. I know I'm moving slow. It's my first smart doll. And I wanna try this right. Hold your head still. Let me squeeze this on it. All right, I am gonna have to watch videos for this, but there's her hair. It's not on right. I'll get that, and here she is. She is so cute. She's not as tall as I thought she would be. How many people do you hear say that when they get a smart doll? No, everybody says, oh, she's so big. I have other big dolls, so I thought she would be taller. I don't know. I'm going to have to look at that wig. I'm going to have to look and try this out. Oh, I see. It was folded under. Okay, I get it. Says, yeah, it's going to take a little practice to get this doll figured out. Some of you that have these BJD dolls just open them up, but I don't. This is my first. This is my first. By the time I get that third one, oh gosh, I don't know. I am gonna have to figure that out in a minute. But I wanted to show you. I have this bra and panties needs to go. She has no need for them. Oh, I bet I have to undress her. Okay, well, let's look at it this way. All right. I made this bra halter top, of which might not fit. That's going to need some tweaking, that pattern. We'll take a look at it. I only made it up until that point because I didn't know how she looked. I got her this to make a skirt out of. We'll see. And I made this for her, this little skirt. No snap on the back yet because I didn't know how thin. Let's see how it looks. Oh, she's got
big booty.
Booty, yeah. People pay for that, you know. Okay, let's try this one. This one I kinda, you don't want to hear the story. I just thought it was cute. I was doing something else and I thought I'd cut it out for my smart doll. Okay, so with a snap. She has this with this to go over in the front. But again, I didn't know about the darts and such. That's not bad for a St. Patrick's Day parade. She could go wearing that.
Yeah.
That'd be cute. I might do straps on this rather than strapless. But again, I only took it to a certain point. I still need to finish this edge and then I'll add the snaps. So that is my Smart Doll. As you can see, I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to sewing for her. She's short. It's like my other one's taller, isn't she? I should go get her real quick. I like her. I like her a lot. What am I going to call her? Genia. You know, like genius. Genia. That's going to be her name because Smart Doll. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel and suffering through this with me. Please leave a like, a nice comment, and subscribe. P.S. I got the wig on, turned it inside out, put it on like you're supposed to, you know, like a normal person who isn't terribly excited because they just got a new doll for the first time. She is about the same size as my other girl. She's in heels, so that's the difference there. I am, at first sight, smitten.